Experiencing a reboot loop on your Toyota infotainment system? This frustrating issue, where the screen goes black and restarts repeatedly, is often due to software glitches, overheating, or integration problems. Key causes include outdated firmware, hardware issues like overheating modules, conflicts with devices like smartphones using Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or power supply fluctuations. Toyota issued a major recall in 2023, affecting millions of vehicles. If you're experiencing this issue, the first step is to identify the cause and check if your vehicle is part of any active recalls. This proactive diagnostic approach, often available through Toyota's app or dealership tools, is crucial for resolving the problem. The primary solution for the reboot loop is a software update. For models from 2022 and newer, Toyota offers over-the-air updates through your infotainment system. If over-the-air updates aren't available, a dealership can provide a USB update to fix the issue. For temporary fixes, try a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds, or a hard reset by disconnecting the battery for 10 minutes. A factory reset wipes the system to defaults, but requires repairing all your devices. To prevent future issues, avoid overloading the system with too many apps, ensure proper ventilation to prevent overheating, and keep your firmware updated. Toyota's over-the-air strategy reduces diagnostic time and improves reliability overall. If problems persist after these fixes, consult a certified Toyota technician.